Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ask Neeraj Nidhi, Hike of Knowledge. So friends, and this is Pivot Table Part 4 video, and in this video I'll tell you how to add slicer and timeline in Pivot Table. So by using this option of using slicer and timeline, you can easily present your data to anyone. And to open this, you can use shortcut key Alt plus N plus SF. By using this, you can directly open the option for adding slicer and timeline. Now moving to my source data. So this is my source data by using which I created a pivot table in part 1, and in part 2 I added a few more data point in my source data. Then in part 3 I added additional calculation in pivot table. So if you haven't watched all these parts, please do watch. You can find the link in description. Now, in this, I'm going to add slicer and timeline. For this, I need to remove few fields here. So from filter first, I'm removing continents. Okay. Now from value, I'm removing achievement percentage, revenue, the targets. Okay. So this is my pivot table. So for inserting slicer, go to insert tab, then under filters, you can find slicer option. Click on this option, you will find the headers of your data in a list format. Now I'm selecting sales team from this and click OK. So this will give me the list of all the sales team in my source data. So I have a team from A to H. Okay. Now I'm again just click inside the data and again inserting a new slicer which is for country. Click OK. So this will give you the list of all the countries in your data. So this slicer option mainly gives you the option for multiple filter. You don't need to add or remove filter every time. Just click on team A, and if I want to see the performance of team A in Argentina, just click Argentina from second table. Now this. So this is how it's work. Let's try for team C and sees team C's performance in India. This is how this slicer change. You can also use the multiple option in slicer like this. You can also see performance from team C in Argentina, Brazil, Greenland, and India. I'm removing all these options. Okay. Now I'm inserting timelines. Go to insert, then under filter you can find timelines. So timelines basically describes the time period, time duration. So, so my date here it is for timeline. So this will create a time duration from which duration I want to see my data. So if I want to see data from uh, June till August, so I want to see data for these 3 months, which is June, July, and August. So it will give me the data for all only for these 3 months. If you see the data keep on changing. If I want to see the data only for August, so this is the number for my August. So by using this, you can present your data in your more attractive way by using this slicer and timeline option. Hope you like this video. So I'll suggest please watch all the parts of this video series pivot table. Now in my next part I'll tell you how to create pivot chart, then create dashboard in pivot table. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you like this video. Please leave a comment suggestion in comment option or any of your queries regarding any of the formulas. If you like this video, please hit on thumb image. You can also share this video with your friends and colleagues, or you can subscribe this video or click on bell icon to receive regular notification. So thank you guys.